Hello everyone, it's indeed inspiring to see you back again. This is tutorial 8 and PySpark grouping data and aggregate functions. This is what we are going to see today. So let us begin without much delaying. So let me just import the library. By now you must have been very familiar with the basic syntax. So from PySpark.sql, we need to import Spark session. So we are importing it. And then we need to create an object. So SS is equal to, I'll be creating an object from Spark session. So Spark session dot builder dot app name. So app name I'll be giving. This is group by, so GP and AGGF. Okay, so this is something I'm giving here, app. Okay, and now dot get or create I have to call. So SS is an object now created. With the help of SS, I'll be uploading a data, and I have a data which is named as orders. Okay, so I'll be creating with orders only. So orders is equal to SS dot read and SSS. So you can see that it is taking some time, and you must have experienced if you're practicing. So do practice that. How much time does it take? So read.csv, and here I have one file orders.csv. I can show you here that I have a file orders.csv here, and this file is having customer and item and price. So certain things it is having. Okay, so let me basically import this file here. So orders.csv is the name, orders.csv, and let me put it into single quotes. So this is into single quotes, and I can put header equal to true, because you can see that we have the header over here, customer item price, so header is present. And then after that, I can do infer schema is equal to true. Okay, so I'm done. Now let me just display this file. So orders.show, this is going to display the content in the file, and okay, it'll consume maybe few seconds. So let us give that much time. Okay, so orders.show. So we can see customer, item, price. Okay, and quickly we can check orders.print schema as well. So to check the data type. So we have customer as string, item as string, and price as integer. So as I said that today we are going to see the group by. So this group by function and aggregate function, how does it work? So group by and aggregate can work together. So let me show you how they will work. So orders dot group by. So this is how you'll have to start, and you can do group by, and inside that you can pass. So let me group by item wise. So we have pizza, we have chapati and chapati, we have salad. So if I do group by with the item, so I can write here item, and if I want to know that what is the sum of price? Okay, so sum of price. So whatever number of item has been bought, and what was the total cost that we want to check. So here we can see that the item list, so burger, pizza, and everything, and the sum of the price we are able to see here. Now, if I want to get to know that what each individual has basically purchased, how, like let's say Kushal is there, Ritviz is there, so how much Ritviz has purchased? Okay, so here Ritviz has purchased only for 100, but Kushal, if you see, so Kushal has purchased salad, chapati and pizza, so 200 plus 400 plus 30, so 630 Kushal has purchased. So I just want to take that one. So orders dot group by I'll do, and here I'll put customer. So just check the column. So it is customer. That's correct. And dot I will do again sum, and I'll do here. I'll put here price. Okay. Dot show. So here you can see I'm using the aggregate function as well as I'm using group by. So Ritviz has made an expenditure of 100 rupees. Kushal has made 630, and Shiv has made 120 rupees. Now, if I want to know what is the maximum, okay, I'll just copy this now. What is the maximum expense made by Kushal and Ritviz and all? So I can do with max. So here you can see orders dot group by, and we have customer dot max, and price is there. Okay, dot show I'm doing. So here I can see that I have Kushal has made 400, Ritviz has made 100, and Shiv has made 80. Okay, this is indifferent. Okay, this is having difference with the sum. So we can see that maximum when I have made the maximum order. Okay, so this is how we can use the group by. At the same time we can use the we can use the aggregate function. There is another way to use aggregate function. If you just want to use aggregate function, so you can do orders.agg. So this will help you to aggregate. So what do you want to aggregate? You can pass it as a dictionary over here. So let's say I want to aggregate price. So what is the total expenditure made by all of them, three of them? So I'll be doing price as a key, sum as the sum as the value. So this function will be applied to price. So I'm typing show here, and you can see that total sum of price is 850. So 850 the total sum of the price. So this is the total expenditure which is made. Okay, so similar way I can just go for other aggregate functions, like I can do min over here. So this is the 30 is the minimum price. Okay, and yeah, so max min is done. Okay, and sum is done. So if I want to go for average, so I'll do avg. So this is the average price. Okay, so I hope you will go like with more such experiments with some sample data, and hope you enjoyed this video. Keep watching, do subscribe and like. Thank you, thanks a lot.